Okay, this is the picture of the Pikachu that we are going to be coloring using crayons. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go over the layout I plan on doing. Okay, so these are the colors that I will be using. Black, blue, red, brown, and orange, yellow, and white. Okay, so just make sure that you have those colors in hand. Okay, so what I was planning on doing, let me start with the yellow. Okay, so I was going to start off doing the entire body portion of it using yellow, and also the lettering of it using yellow. Okay, and then I was also going to use the blue crayon just to highlight the edge of the Pokemon right here. So it basically goes around in the letters, and that's basically all I'm going to be using the blue for. Okay, the brown, and I'm barely going to be using the brown, I'm pretty sure. So the black I will be using a lot for the ears and the eyes and the Pokeball area, and yeah, I might just like I did last time with the crayons, I might just give it an outline depending on how I feel. Okay, so another is the red, right? There's only one or two areas that we're going to be using the red, and that's in the cheek areas, and on top of the Pokeball, so right up here. Okay, so that's why we need this red for. Okay, the white's basically right underneath the Pokeball, right around there, this area. It's just to cover up empty spots, like empty blank spots. Okay, and also I might be using the yellow to write down the name Pikachu. So I have to figure out how I will be writing down Pikachu. I'll show you like how I did it before. Okay, and white, okay, also I'll have to show you. I'm gonna bring you to the one that we used, the pencil drawing. Okay, so I might be also using the white on this portion as well, in the interior portion. So yellow as an exterior, and interior is going to be white. And then the exterior part, I was debating over the color so far. I'm just gonna I think I'm just gonna go with let's say an orange. Hopefully that looks alright. Just go orange with the lightnings. Let's just try it out. I'm not for sure if it would work, if this orange works or not. If it doesn't work, then I'll decide to choose another color. But yeah, I'll be honest, orange is my favorite color, so I'm just using that. That's the only reason I'm putting it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video where we actually color this drawing. Okay? Okay, and once again, keep it simple. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.